Hello everyone, today we are going to learn about a really practical and important concept in Java, which is packages. Let's start with a real-life analogy that everyone can relate to. Think about how you organize files on your computer. You probably have a music folder, and inside it you might have subfolders like sad song, romantic song, and rock songs, right? You have a document folder with subfolders like work, personal, and school. You do this because putting everything in one place would be a complete mess. You would never find anything clearly. Packages in Java work exactly the same way. A package is simply a folder that groups related Java classes, annotation, and subpackages together, keeping your code organized and easy to find. Just like you can have folders inside folders, you can have packages inside packages. These are called subpackages. For example, java.util. Here, Java is the main package, and util is a subpackage. Creating a package in Java is very simple. Let's come to our first program project. So you can see that we have a package named com.basic, right? And inside it we have multiple classes. Let me open one of these classes like AdvCalc. Double click on the class. Yeah, you can see at the top of the class it has been written package com.basics. This tells Java that this file belongs to com.basic package. This file belongs to this package. Now let's see another file to the same package. Let me open this one. Calculator or calc class. So both advanced calculator and calculator are part of the com.basic package, right? Organized together because they are related. Now let's create a separate package. How we can do that? Click on src package folder, and now we click on new and come on package word and click on that. So we name it like DB database. Finish. Inside it, right now it's empty. Again on it I click and I create a class name demo and finish. Yes, so now we have two separate packages. One is DB, another one is com.basic, two packages. So now here is where it gets really interesting. What if you need to use a class from a different package? For example, what if demo in the DB package needs to use advanced calculator from the com.basic package? If you just type something like this, let me just write the name of it. If you just write something like advanced calculator obj equal new advanced calculator and semicolon. So here we have an error. Let me run the program to show the error. So, Java cannot find advanced calculator inside DB package. So Java gives you an error. As I said, because it does not know where to find advanced calculator file. It only looks in the current package by default. To fix this, you need to import the class using the import keyword. After this, you should use import keyword and then the name of the package which advanced calculator is inside it. Which package? com.basics. I just copy this to avoid any mistakes. And then I write dot and then the name of the class. Automatically shows me that these classes belongs to com.basics. Which class do you want? I want advanced calculator class. I click on that and semicolon. Now you can see that the red line under advanced calculator is disappeared and it works, right? Now let's just call the method, for example, multiply. We had a class, right? A method inside a multiply. I add two numbers, 1 and 2, for example. Now let me run the program. Yeah, the result is 2. Now Java knows exactly where to find advanced calculator in the com.basic package. If you want to import all classes from a package at once, you can use the wildcard. I mean, you can just simply say, alright, import keyword, and then you should write the name of the package, com.basics, and automatically it was added. Now let me write it manually. Then dot, and then wildcard, and then semicolon. All classes from the com.basic packages are going to be imported to this package. So now let's talk about the packages that Java itself provides, because there are many of them and you have already been using them. For example, java.lang. This is the most fundamental package in Java. It contains core classes like string, math, system, and object. And here is something really interesting. Java.lang is automatically imported in every Java file. You never have to import it manually. This is why you can use string and system.out println. We usually use it without any import statement. So another package is java.util. Java.util. Okay, this package contains utility classes like ArrayList, scanner, arrays, and many more. You have to explicitly import from this package. So for example, you have to write like import java.util. Like if you don't need all classes, you can just say array list. Yes, or the same. Here Java is the main package, as I say. Java is the main package. UTL or util is the sub package, and array list is the specific class we are importing. Okay, so I hope you can remember the ordering, that the first one is the main package, then it is the sub package, and then it is itself the class name. So let's go for another package, import java.io. This one contains classes for input and output operation, reading and writing files. Oracle provides hundreds of packages as you continue learning Java, so you will use more and more of them. So don't worry about them. But before we finish, let's talk about how to name your packages, especially when creating our own libraries. Package names should be unique, so they do not conflict with other libraries that might have the same names. The standard convention is to reverse your domain name. For example, for the Google, we can write com.google. For the Amazon, you can write com.amazon. So this ensures that your package names are globally unique because domain names are unique worldwide. If you want to explore existing Java libraries and packages, you can visit Maven repository.com. There are thousands of Java libraries are available for you to use in your projects. So that is the packages in Java. If you enjoy watching this video, make sure to like and subscribe the channel so you never miss a lesson. See you in the next one.